What's up, y'all? It's your dude, Lazy Nate. I'm here today at Epcot. I'm gonna go get some grub here in just a few minutes. Do some reviews for you, but Hurricane Helene's coming on in, and it won't be till about 6 o'clock tonight. So I think it's about 1 o'clock right now. So I even might go live after I get a couple things to eat and just talk about a few things for a minute and show you that I'm actually here. And I hope everybody that's in the path of Hurricane Helene stays safe, and I'll be getting back to the resort. And after I get everything done here, probably a little bit before everything comes in and lock everything up. So, see you in a second. I know I'm gonna get some Reaper wings, some piri-piri sausage, and there's a few other things I've got earmarked to go ahead and get, so see you in a second. Alright, I'm gonna talk into this thing, so hopefully y'all hear me on the music. But I'm here at the Brew Wing Lab at Odyssey. This right here is a $3 brewing triple hard seltzer. It's not too bad. It tastes kind of like a hard seltzer with a little bit of pickle in there. Not much. Those are the unnecessarily spicy yet extremely tasty Carolina Reaper pepper curry wings with creamy cucumber raita, something like that. And here's some fried dill pickle spears with dill ranch. So let's try these first. Nice and crunchy. The ranch is pretty good. Tastes like it should. And the breading's not too bad.
This next experience surpasses even the average innovation. Now taste testing. A growing plant-based options. Oh my, it's so again, Mickey. Oh, good thinking, Mickey. Everyone loves carrots with their wings. Buddies.
Yeah, those are pretty good snack. What's going on the Reaper wings? They had Scotch bonnet ones last year, and those are delicious. Alright, my tolerance is down, so immediately hits the tongue. Reapers are usually creeping, so the heat is building a little bit. They've definitely toned this down. All right, so $7.1 on the drink. If you're not a hard seltzer fan or a pickle fan, I would not get it. Unless you just want to try it. The pickle spears, I'm going to go 7.6. Oh, I almost dropped that in the wing sauce. These aren't as flavorful as last year, but you definitely go 7.3, 7.3. They're not bad. They're just, this year there's a little more about the heat, less about the curry. All right, moving on to the next one. All right, it's getting kind of windy, so I lost the windscreen for the case for this GoPro. I've got some ramen. It's the shaved beef ramen. It's got I know it's got jalapenos in it, hard-boiled soy hard-boiled egg, shaved beef, shiitake mushrooms, obviously ramen noodles. If I didn't already say it, jalapenos. I'm gonna have to wait to set the GoPro down because of how windy it is. As I said, Hurricane Helene's coming in. Okay, hold on. Are we gonna get a couple seconds? We may not. Hold on. I know something similar to this. I'm trying not to lose my spoon too. Anyway, we used something similar to this last year. I think this one's supposed to be a little bit spicier. It's, I mean, unless you actually bite into the jalapeno, it's probably not too spicy for most people. Because it is windy and I can't set this back down right here for probably a little while, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 7.8. Yeah, 7.8. It's the raised beef ramen. You can find it at Noodles and Company near Disney Traders. Before I lose my microphone. See you in the next one. Alright, y'all. I'm at the over by the refreshment outpost. I got the Impossible spicy sausage with piri piri peppers and onions and piri piri aioli. And then I also got the Keel Farms blackberry apricot jam hard cider from Plant City, Florida. I'll turn you around.
This is like 30 minutes after I shot the last thing. Uh-oh, something fell. But, yeah. This is, we'll see what time it is. It's 3:07 p.m. Anyway, I need to get back to this because look, that's already fell all the way on the table. Anyway.
And I promise what's on the sausage is not what fell, it did not fall on it, it came on it. But I'm only really going to eat the sausage, but this is how it's presented. Brioche bun. Peppers are a little bit on the sweet side, but the aioli got a little kick to it. It's definitely Impossible sausage. That's for sure. Which is not bad. All right, I'm gonna give that a, because it's Impossible sausage, 6.5. This is blackberry apricot. You get both blackberry and apricot. It's a good combination. I had some apricot. Anyway, I'm having deja vu all over again. Anyway, so I'm gonna give this whoa, 7. Nope, scratch that. 8.3. 8.3. I think because everything, as you see, stuff's falling. I've only got a couple more hours to enjoy the park. So for this one, deuces. I will get back over here tomorrow or sometime this weekend. We're not leaving till Monday, I think, now instead of Saturday. So, all right, deuces. Yeah, my hair looks great, huh? Yeah, it's real windy. Hopefully you can hear me, but that's it from Epcot for today. I'm gonna go home and kind of batten out, or go back to the resort, you know, welcome home. I'm batting down the hatches because the rain bands are starting to come in. The wind bands have definitely been here. And yeah, here comes the rain. So I need to at least get underneath some cover for a minute. Anyway, y'all be safe out there. I'll be safe down here. See you on the next one. This is on the way to the buses. Oh, and out of storm precautions, you actually had to go through the security over there versus where I normally have been going through security. That was the first time I've ever gone through there, but over here. As you can see with the debris, it has been windy. It did rain for a few minutes and then it just tried to start to starting to sprinkle now. This one will probably pass through, and then about 6:30, 7 o'clock I think is when everything's supposed to kick off for fun. Yep, I'm glad I'm getting to the buses now. So, alright, I'm gonna turn you around. Oh snap, hopefully I can get through this bus. That would be great. Ah, made it. Driver away. Nope, didn't make it. Son of a gun. Right now it's just Florida being Florida, but the real stuff's supposed to come in sometime this evening. Like I said, it looked like it said about between 5 and 6, and it moved to 7. I haven't looked at the radar again just yet, but like I said, it's Florida being Florida.
Let me get over here. Sunshine.
Just like that.